Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and also welcome to my very humble teaching space. So for today's video nga pala, isisingit ko to na video. I will be sharing you how to make a self-introduction video kasi requirements Uni 5.1. So I will also be sharing you tips on how to do it. Okay, so first step na gagawin natin is to prepare the script. So the script in your audio recording dun sa teacher's profile pa, hindi yun yung gagamitin natin. We really need to craft a new script. And you can search on the ChatGPT para makahingi tayo ng idea on how to make our script. Pero nung nag-try ako sa ChatGPT, medyo lengthy masyado yung sinuggest niya sa akin. So, I still made use of my own made script. Talagang based on my heart. Yeah, it's based on my heart would like to tell my students how I will promote myself in a shorter manner. Kasi gusto ko na yung self-introduction ko should be a minute or more than just a minute. Okay, so ano yung i-include natin in our self-introduction video? You have there the introduction, the greetings, then you can include your bachelor's degree na pinagtapos, tapos yung mga skills nyo. Do you like dancing? Do you like reading, singing, ganito, ganyan? Then you will also include your experiences as a teacher, then anything that highlights your being a teacher. What would students expect from you? How are you going to do your class in a fun and engaging manner? You know how to downgrade your language communication to students. Then you will end your video with a convincing line, emotional ending of yourself. Yun. If you want to have a copy of my script and then suggested scripts, then comment down below para ma-send ko sa inyo. Tapos na kayo sa script, the second step is you're going to prepare the background where you will be doing the oral presentation. How are you going to present it in front of the camera? That you need to prepare a green cloth. Okay, dapat na may green background tayo para na ma-edit natin ng mabuti yung ating video. Para yung background is very smooth. So as you can see in my video, na-exchange, na wala yung background. Kasi kung hindi light yung background at saka walang 5.1 Talk na background, 5.1 Talk will not approve your video. Okay, so ayan teachers, I have put up my background already. Yan, including my chair. I covered it with green para hindi siya makita. So, since tapos na yung background, I made use of this. Okay, nilagay ko na yung cellphone ko dito kasi may nagtanong kung cellphone lang ba yung gamit ko sa pag-cover ng aking video. Yes na yes. Cellphone lang. Mayroon lang akong tripod na ganito. Tapos, I made use of this one. Yan, para clear masyado yung boses. And may ilalagay ako dito para connected agad yung boses. So, ang tawag doon is mini microphone for vlogging. Kasi, syempre, I am a vlogger. So, mayroon talaga akong ganun. Pero teachers, kung wala naman kayong ganito, pwede rin naman na cellphone lang agad. Basta just make sure na clear masyado yung inyong boses sa inyong cellphone at saka tahimik na tahimik ang background. After that, yun na, magka-cover na ako. Okay, so since tapos na tayo sa pag-cover ng ating videos, so go to editing na tayo sa ating video footages. Unang-una teachers is you have to download Pixelab at saka CapCut. Itong dalawang icon na to. So una is let's go to Pixelab. Tapos, i-delete natin tong image dyan. And then, go to 3 dots here. Then, use image from gallery. So, ang gagamitin natin is ito. So, you can just download this one in the Google Images. Type nyo lang yung 5.1 Talk background. Tapos, pagkalapat nito is you click on 16:9 kasi yun ang sizes talaga ng mga landscape videos. I-adjust natin siya. Okay, na medyo mayroon namang makitang blue. Okay, so yan. Since mapuputol yung the rest ng blue. Okay, basta importante nandyan si Max. Okay, then check na natin. Okay, so this one is done. So, dapat na natin siyang i-save as image. Okay, then save to gallery. Since tapos na tayo sa ating background, go to CapCut na po tayo. Yan. Then, click on New Project. Tapos, hanapin natin yung background. Yan. Ito na yung ating background. Nandito na po siya. So, this is already our project. Tapos, i-delete natin tong icon ni CapCut. I-delete lang natin yan. Tapos, i-drag na po natin siya. Mga 1 minute. So, we'll just adjust this one later. Tapos, let's go to overlay. So, i-click natin tong overlay. So, dyan natin ilalagay yung video footages natin. So, go to overlay, add overlay. Tapos, hanapin natin yung video kanina. Okay, so, click tayo ng isa. Hello everyone. Ayan. My name is Teacher. So, i-add na natin siya. Yan. So, kung nakita nyo, green pa yung kanyang background. So, paano natin siya madi-delete yung green? So, hanapin natin yung remove background. Itong remove BG. Okay? Click natin. Tapos, itap natin yung auto removal. Yan. So, as you can see, applying one feature. So, yan. Pagkakita nyo na yan, green na check, then okay na po siya. Nawala na po yung background niya. Okay. So, kung titignan natin siya, hello everyone. Mayroon siyang gap sa pagsimula. So, i-delete natin yung portion na yan. Hello. Okay. So, i-tap nyo lang yung video. Tapos, i-cut natin siya. Drag lang po. I-drag lang natin siya. Tingnan natin. Hello everyone. Okay. Then, isagad natin siya sa first part. Let's see. Hello everyone. Okay, and then, i-highlight na naman natin yung video. Tapos, lakihan natin yung image. Yan po. Okay, ilagay natin siya sa gitna. Okay, let's see. Hello everyone. My name is Teacher Trisha G. O, diba? Ang galing. So, dito naman sa last portion niya, teaching foreign kids. Okay, so makikita natin na medyo naputol. So, ating i-drag para makat natin yung portion na i-off ko yung camera. Foreign kids. Okay, so that's the first part of my video. Kasi putol-putol po yun, teachers. Hindi po yun sunod-sunod. Okay, so i-add na natin yung ibang mga videos. Cutting-cutting po siya. Okay, dito na naman tayo sa add overlay. Tapos, hanapin na naman natin yung video. Okay, dito na tayo sa ikalawang video. So, kung nakikita nyo, imported na yung isa. So, ilagay natin yung ikalawa. I have been teaching English for 16 years. I-add natin siya. Alright. Okay, so, kung nakikita nyo, green na naman yung background niya. And, hanapin na naman natin si remove background. Ayan. Tapos, i-tap natin yung auto removal. Yan. Then, wait natin hanggang sa may green check. Okay, then check natin to. Alright. As you can see, yan, mayroong portion na kaka-click ko lang ng start ng aking camera. Okay, so ating i-drag para talagang parang hindi cutting yung ating video. Okay. Tapos, ilagay natin siya dito sa malapit na first part. Ayan, idugtong na natin siya. Tapos, as you can see, maliit at malaki. So, i-adjust natin siya na katulad ng first part na para talagang karugtong lang siya. Okay, let's see. Kids, I have been teaching. Diba? Okay na siya. So, kung titignan natin siya dito sa dulo, for 2 years. Okay, so putulin na naman natin yung portion na mag-o-off na naman ako ng camera. Ayan. Hanggang sa matapos yung pinaka-last na footage natin, teachers. Because me, I have 8 footages na dinugtong-dugtong ko. That's already the basic. Now, paano naman yung teacher's name dito sa right portion? So, ang gagawin lang ninyo is go to text. Okay, tapos add text. Okay, so dito naman, lagyan natin yung teacher's name nyo. Teacher... Me is Teacher Trisha. Ayan. Yan. So, gawin lang natin siyang simple yung style. Black talaga siya. Tapos, yung font is, let's say, classic only, that one. Teacher Trisha. Kasi iba-iba yung pangalan natin. Yung screen name natin. Ayan. Okay. So, pwede namang, depende sa inyo anong gagamitin ninyo na style. Okay, that's it. Hello everyone! My name is Teacher Trisha Regine. Okay, so kung nakita nyo, nawala yung Teacher Trisha. So, hanggang sa dulo ng portion ng inyong video, drag nyo lang siya hanggang sa matapos yung video nyo. Ngayon naman, kung titignan ninyo, parang tabunan ng Teacher Trisha yung mic ko as I move it to the right. So, paano po yun na nasa likod pa rin si Teacher Trisha? Gagawin nyo is, i-highlight nyo lang ala na Teacher Trisha, tapos dito kayo sa layers. Ayan. Tapos, dapat nasa backward ang text. Uunahin natin yung video. Okay, let's try. Ready, go. Hello everyone. My name is Teacher Trisha Regine of 51 Talk. Okay, so nasa likuran na talaga ng kamay ko yung Teacher Trisha. Okay, so after that na ma-connect na ninyo po lahat, so maglalagay na tayo ng music. So tayo sa audio. Pipili po tayo ng background, yung pangbata. Yan. Tapos, since background lang siya, dapat hindi siya masyadong malakas. So, dun lang tayo sa mga 20. Hello everyone. My name is Teacher Trisha Regine of 51 Talk. Okay, so ganun lang siya. Mayroon ka ng background. Depende na sa inyo kung ano yung background nyo. So, kung tapos na po tayo, ay pwede na natin siyang i-export. I-click natin yung 720. So, pwede tayong alakihan natin yung pixels niya, 1080 pixels para mas clearer talaga siya. Tapos, if everything is okay, then i-click nyo lang itong arrow up. Tapos, mag-i-export na po siya. Hello everyone. My name is Teacher Trisha Regine of 51 Talk. I am a passionate and dedicated teacher with skills in dancing, singing, and teaching foreign kids. I have been teaching English for 16 years here in the Philippines and also have taught English as a second language to Chinese and Japanese for 2 years. I am a returning teacher of 51 Talk and I am back because of you. I am very excited to inspire the learners of this platform in a fun and engaging manner. I have the talent to downgrade my language for kids, and I could also enhance the language competence of the adult learners. So, what are you waiting for? Book my class now. See you there. Bye. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned something on how to crop your self-introduction video for your 51 Talk My Page portal. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. And if you have some requests and concerns, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much. Always smile and God bless everyone. Bye-bye. See you next time.